try proving some of these identities. Here's the 6 questions. You should pause this video. Try them all yourself. Or you can go through the slide presentation and click on it step by step. Let's try this thing. Prove the identities by using the double angle identity. Okay, prove this thing. Well, hang on here. See this cos to the 4th minus cos? That's a difference of squares. It's cos squared squared. So remember that if you have a squared minus b squared, it's a minus b, a plus b. That's the big trick. It's cos squared minus sine squared times cos squared plus sine squared. And why is that so good? Because cos squared plus sine squared is 1. And cos squared minus sine squared is cos 2x. So that's the left-hand side. So you go the right-hand side is you factor it, and then it's equal to the left-hand side, which is cos 2x. Okay, the next one. This one, you're locked into this being sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. But the only way you're going to get is this must be 2 brackets squared up here. And this 1, the big trick is to replace it with sine squared plus cos squared. Now it's sine x minus cos x times sine x minus cos x on top. And then it cancels, and look, you get the right-hand side. So there it is, all done. Same trick here. You're locked in here. It's got to be 2 sine x cos x. But this one, you choose the one. You've got 3 to choose from. Choose the one that's going to make this 1 go away. Make it 2 cos squared minus 1. That's the one that'll make it work, because 1 minus 1 is 0. You'll be left with cos x plus 2 cos x squared. And then all you do is factor. On the top, you factor out sine x. Sine x times 1 plus 2 cos x. On the bottom, you factor out cos x. Cos x times 1 gives me that cos x. Cos x times 2 cos x is 2 cos squared x. And look what cancels. 1 plus 2 cos x cancels, and you're left with tan x, sine x divided by cos x. That's the right-hand side. Let's try this one. Okay, hey, this looks like a trick. You might think, oh, I should multiply this out, but maybe it's better to just write cos squared minus sine squared x times itself, and then just factor this thing just like we did before. It's like a minus b times a plus b, except it's cos squared times cos squared. And then those guys will cancel. Cos squared plus sine squared is 1. And what's cos squared minus sine squared? Oh, that's cos 2x. And see, sine squared plus cos squared is 1. That's it. Okay, let's try this one. 1 minus cos. Oh, it's that same trick, isn't it? We want to make it so that 1 will go away. So we choose 1 minus 2 sine squared, because then 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus minus gives me 2 sine squared. Sine 2x, there's only one thing we can do, is put in 2 sine x cos x. Now the 2's will cancel. Sine squared over sine is just sine x, and sine x over cos x is tan x. It equals the right-hand side. Last one. Sine 2x, there's nothing else you can do but put 2 sine x cos x. But we want to put the 1 that's going to make this 1 disappear. So we put in 1 minus 2 sine squared. Now 1 minus 1 is 0. Minus minus is going to give me 2 sine squared x. We've got a minus sine x. Now up here I factored out cos x. I had 2 sine x minus 1. I bet you we should factor out sine x and see what we get. Sine x times 2 sine x minus 1. Oh, look, those guys cancel. And we get the right-hand side. And there we go. We've done another set of questions.